my goodness. I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing fish taco bowl. I'm using tilapia. You can use any white fish for this. For the marinade, we're just gonna do some olive oil, paprika, coarse pepper, kosher salt, and cumin. And then I'm just gonna rub this all over the top, kind of paint this on. Now that I've got the marinade all over these, they smell wonderful. I'm gonna let them soak in a little bit. A little bit of mayo, a little bit of sriracha, a little cayenne pepper, minced garlic, and some kosher salt. We're gonna mix that up here. That's good. I'm gonna add a lot of red onion, some of the diced up jalapenos, a lot of cilantro, and we're gonna give it some fresh lime juice. Oh, it already smells incredible. The grill is perfect, ready for the tilapia. We're gonna throw those on. We've got the rice ready as well, and the beans. So when we get those going, they'll be quick. It'll be 2 minutes, 3 minutes each side, and then we'll be making our bowls as we go, put everything together and be ready to eat. We've got the sriracha aioli over here as well, and I did add a little more lime juice and a little sea salt to the mango salsa, and it is perfect right now. Oh, the smell already from the marinade is so good. Give these a quick flip. I'm gonna put a little avocado oil on both sides here. I put a little on before just to help it from sticking. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna take these off, place these on top. Sriracha aioli, spread that around. Take a nice big spoonful of the mango salsa. Dump that all over the top. Looks beautiful. Such a great lunch. So simple to do. Oh my goodness. So good. Oh. I cannot even tell you how good the tilapia tastes with that marinade. Any white fish will work perfectly with this little taco bowl. Thanks for joining us at Bussin Eats. Don't forget to come back to see some more great grilling. Take care and spread love through barbecue.